Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're going to remove the Photos widget now. First, find the widget on your home screen or in Today View. Make sure the phone is unlocked. Once located, touch and hold the widget until a quick menu appears. This gives immediate options. If you don't see the menu, press and hold on an empty area to enter jiggle mode. These steps make sure you can edit layout and remove the widget without changing other app data. Now remove the widget. Choose Remove Widget from the quick menu, or if in jiggle mode, tap the minus symbol on the Photos widget. When the confirmation dialog appears, select Remove to delete just the widget. This won't delete Photos or the Photos app. Make sure to press Done or tap an empty area to exit editing. If the widget was in a smart stack, you can also edit that stack to remove or rearrange widget. Finish by exiting jiggle mode and verifying the Photos widget is gone from both the home screen and Today View. If it reappears after a reboot, update iOS and try removing it again. Persistent widgets can stem from software bugs. If the widget is locked by a configuration profile or device management, remove the profile in Settings or contact the administrator. Otherwise, you can't delete it. This last troubleshooting tip solves most
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.